Here are today's top news stories and why they matter. It is the second day of the African Chiefs of Defense meeting in Nigeria, where military leaders are continuing discussions on how to tackle the continent's growing security threats. The conference is taking place in Abuja, from where DW's Ben Shimang reports on why this meeting is important.
The African Chiefs of Defense Conference in Nigeria marks a pivotal moment for the continent's future security. The summit is focusing on combating terrorism, cybercrime, piracy, arms proliferation, and climate-related conflicts. The event marks a shift in Africa's security discourse, with leaders aiming to move away from externally driven strategies and towards collaborative, homegrown defense mechanisms. The summit will wrap on Wednesday, with sessions expected to produce actionable strategies for regional peace and stability. I've been speaking with Nigerians, and this is what they had to say.
The African chiefs must put security at the center point of its discussion. And this security must involve cooperation between African countries. African countries must cooperate to make sure that security is strengthened.
If they can be able to sense, as in to put on some effort in putting some armies, police and all that, all these forces, it will be better, because this insecurity in Nigeria is getting worse and worse every day. So the thing is, people are tired. So I don't know whether the security and armies and the forces are working anymore. Nobody knows, because the insecurity is much.
Where there is no security, there can't be peace and there can't be development. As we all know, the security chiefs will be meeting here in Abuja today, which is a very good development, because we know the security challenges we are having. It's not just within the Nigeria, it's across the borders.
Botswana has declared a public health emergency as it faces severe shortages of essential medicines and medical equipment. President Duma Boko announced a multi-million-dollar plan to fix the supply chain, with military oversight now in place to manage distribution. Why does this matter? Botswana is facing serious challenges due to economic strain and recent cuts to US aid, which used to play a major role in supporting the country's HIV response. With a population of 2.5 million, many citizens are now struggling to get the medicines and care they need. Botswana was once considered a leader in HIV treatment in Africa, thanks to strong public health systems and international support. However, these current shortages threaten to undo years of progress. According to UNAIDS, US funding once covered a third of Botswana's HIV response, and the reduction in support is now leaving vulnerable people without access to life-saving care. And finally, the public is reacting strongly to South African influencers accused of misleading young women with unverified job offers in Russia. Influencer Cyan Bougie is facing backlash after promoting a program that claims to offer career development opportunities for women aged 18 to 22. Why is this significant? South Africa faces high youth unemployment, especially among young women. Officials say this economic vulnerability is being exploited by recruiters using social media to lure women into potentially dangerous situations abroad. And that's all we had time for today. Don't forget to leave a comment, share, like, and subscribe to our channel DW Africa. I'm Lucy Riley.